Hi, this is Mark Cook for Twisted Throttle. Now, if you've lived with an automatic chain oiler, it's easy to understand the attraction. For a small investment, you can rid yourself of the need to regularly lubricate your motorcycle's chain. Now, what's the big deal? When the chain is properly lubed, it runs with less drag and noise, lasts longer, and gets by with fewer tension adjustments. Those are all good things. Now, Scottoiler leads the industry in innovation and the number of applications, offering the vacuum-operated V system and the fully electronic E system. Now there's a third option called the X system. Now think of the X system as a simplified E system. Simplified as in basically an all-in-one device that you can install, set, and forget. Like the E system, which uses an electronic motion sensor to signal when the oiling system should be active, the X system only dispenses oil when the bike is in motion. This keeps seepage to a minimum, which will also keep the bike cleaner and reduce oil consumption. Because different bikes and changing riding conditions call for different flow rates, the X system can be easily configured to any of 5 settings. At the highest rate, the pump pulses roughly every 20 seconds. At the lowest rate, the pump delivers lube every 150 seconds. Now you can turn the unit off to prevent it from activating when you're moving your bike around the garage or when you leave it at a repair shop. The cool thing is when you turn it back on, the X system will remember the last setting. Installation is made easy because the reservoir, pump, and sensing electronics are all in one package, roughly 6 inches tall, 2 inches wide, and 2 inches deep. Now it's designed to be attached to a rear subframe rail, but many other options are available as long as the outlet is facing slightly down. Now on our Honda CRF 250L Rally, we mounted the reservoir to the back of the toolbox, which puts it close to the battery and leaves options for delivery line routing. Oh, and you do want to have access to the body for turning it on and off, and for adjusting the flow rate. Plus, you want to have access to the filler port on the top of the body. Now, speaking of refilling, the 60 milliliter reservoir is good for up to 1,500 miles. The rest of the installation amounts to connecting the X system directly to the battery, running the delivery line from the reservoir around the swing arm pivot and out along the bottom of the swing arm to the delivery nib at the rear sprocket. Setup is a matter of filling the reservoir with the appropriate lubricant. Now, for spring, we're running the standard blue Scottoil, but there's a high-temp red Scottoil suitable for hotter climates and our summer. Once the system is installed, turn it on and keep pressing the prime button until the lubricant appears at the nib. Start out on the middle setting and see how it goes. If the chain appears dry, increase the flow rate a little bit. If you see splatter on the sprocket or rear wheel, reduce by 1 notch and retest. This is a trial and error thing. The X system is available now in kits either with regular temperature Scottoil or the high temperature red oil. Check them out at TwistedThrottle.com. And don't forget, like our videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.